channel. So in today's food vlog we are going to cover a restaurant that serves authentic Mexican cuisine, and restaurant का नाम है El Tacos and it's located in Kharghar. And काफ़ी अच्छे reviews पढ़े हैं इस place के बारे में. And today we are going to cover Mexican cuisine for our international cuisine series, and this is the 5th episode, so let's get started.
So this is El Tacos, a small restaurant located in Kharghar that serves authentic Mexican cuisine. Restaurant का ambience काफ़ी colorful है and they have nicely maintained the Mexican vibe. One of the walls is adorned with a huge painting of Frida Kahlo. The place is small but it's aesthetically pleasing. They have a good variety of Mexican dishes in their menu, and if you are interested you can pause and check out their story here. Now let's talk about the food. So we started off by ordering the most popular Mexican dishes like the nachos and tacos. Starting off with the tacos, so there are two types of tacos, soft shell ones and the hard shell tacos. But क्योंकि हमने already nachos order किए थे and the hard shell tacos are of the same material from which the nachos are made, we thought of trying the soft shell ones. These are avocado frito tacos and they were for 309 rupees. Firstly, we loved how the food was served. The presentation was really apt and beautiful. So basically in a soft shell taco, you have a corn tortilla which is just like roti, and then it's stuffed with some fresh vegetables, some fried stuff and some Mexican sauces. As we had ordered the avocado frito taco, this is the fried avocado. You can see how beautiful green color is intact inside it. Even as it is, the avocado frito was absolutely delicious and the entire taco was very wholesome and refreshing. It was very flavorfully balanced. It had a beautiful blend of sweet, spicy and tangy flavors and soft and crispy textures. After the tacos, it was time to taste the nachos. So we had ordered the Fiesta Nachos Grande. The nachos were quite loaded with toppings and we absolutely loved the quantity. The presentation was amazing. We loved the plates that they used for serving. So the whole dish included different flavored tortilla chips that were topped with some amazing tomato salsa, the guacamole, some bean gravy, chipotle sauce, cheese sauce, and also freshly cut vegetables and cilantro. Took a bite of these nachos and they were really refreshing and yummy. Overall, we can say it was a great plate of nachos. The best and most important part of these tacos was that they had guacamole. Next up, we ordered chicken enchiladas, also known as enchilada de polo, which was for 329 rupees. Enchiladas are a typical Mexican dish which includes tortilla breads that are stuffed with either meat or vegetables, and then they are cooked together with some gravy and sauces. Visually, the dish looked absolutely amazing. It was also topped with some cheese and again some slices of avocado. But when we tried to cut into the enchilada, it felt a little bit soggy and hard to cut. It had a minced chicken filling inside, and as you can see, the enchiladas were placed in a pool of tomato gravy. The enchiladas were a bit chewy, especially the covering of the tortilla. Also, this is our personal recommendation that you can go more for the vegetarian dishes at this place. Overall, we would say this dish was just okay. We loved the nachos and the tacos more than this. Apart from that, the quantity of this dish was great. Next up, we ordered one of their burrito bowls, which was the vegetarian one, and it was for 279 rupees. And we also ordered their passion fruit mojito, which was for 150 rupees. The burrito bowl looked absolutely stunning and colorful, and this one included fried zucchini, along with some coleslaw and all the things that typically go inside a burrito, that is Mexican rice, salsa, the bean gravy, and some fresh vegetables with sauces like chipotle or chili sauce and some liquid cheese. A burrito bowl is basically all the things that go inside a burrito wrap but without the tortilla. Just like we have the shawarma salad. So you are supposed to mix it all up and then taste. Again, the quantity of the burrito bowl was great. It was very filling for the two of us. We loved the refreshing flavors of the burrito bowl, the crunch of the vegetables, the crispy fritters, and the sauces and rice all were going great together. Even the mojito was very refreshing and perfectly sweet. The only thing that we felt was the burrito bowl could have been much better without the raw cabbage. So overall, we had an amazing meal at El Tacos, and our suggestion would be to go for the nachos and tacos. So that was it for today's video. If you loved it, then do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification, and we will see you in the next vlog. Goodbye.